Hello, welcome to our HP11 G7EE LCD replacement tutorial. To get started today, you'll need a few tools: a spudger, manual screwdriver, and a static mat. Step 1. Unscrew the 9 bottom cover screws. Step 2. Using your spudger, carefully pry up the palm rest, starting in one corner and working your way around the perimeter, unsnapping all the clips. Step 3. Disconnect the battery cable. Step 4. Snap the palm rest back into place. Step 5. Carefully pry away the bezel and remove it from the top assembly, starting in one corner and carefully working your way around the perimeter, unsnapping all the clips. Step 6. Remove the 4 LCD screws. Step 7. Gently lift and place the LCD face down on the keyboard. Step 8. Remove the adhesive from the LVDS cable. Step 9. Disconnect the LVDS cable. Step 10. Remove the LCD. Step 11. Position the replacement LCD face down on the keyboard. Step 12. Reconnect the LVDS cable. Step 13. Reattach the adhesive to the LVDS cable. Step 14. Align the replacement LCD into the screw mounts. Step 15. Replace the 4 LCD screws. Step 16. Snap the bezel back into place. Step 17. Partially lift the palm rest. Step 18. Reconnect the battery cable. Step 19. Reinstall the palm rest, making sure that it is fully snapped into place around the perimeter. Step 20. Power on the unit to verify a successful repair. Step 21. Power off the unit. Step 22. Reinstall the 9 bottom cover screws. And now your repair is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have any questions or need further information, we would always love to hear from you. You can contact us directly via our website at agpartseducation.com.